So here's how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro not using GPU acceleration for rendering. First, you'll need to open your settings, right click on the Windows logo and then click settings. And in here, go to system, then display, and then scroll down and click on graphics. And in here, make sure you have Adobe Premiere Pro in this app list. If it's not there, you can click on Add Desktop App and then navigate to Adobe Premiere Pro in Program Files, Adobe Premiere Pro, and then select Adobe Premiere Pro in here to add it. Now you'll need to click on it, click on the drop down or the Options button, and then on GPU Performance, on GPU Preference here, make sure you select your high performance GPU card or NVIDIA for me. And then make sure to uncheck optimizations for windowed games. Make sure it's disabled. Now we will need to go back to Adobe Premiere Pro and then click on File, Project Settings, and then General. And in here, under Renderer, make sure it's Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration CUDA. Select this one and then press OK. Now you will just need to restart Adobe Premiere Pro and that should fix the issues generally. And if the issues still persist, what you can do is go to Edit, Preferences, and then Memory. And then in the Memory tab here, make sure the RAM reserved for other applications is as minimal as possible so that it makes more RAM available for Adobe Premiere Pro to use. And then you can simply press OK. Now, one thing to make sure is you have the latest GPU drivers installed for your card. For example, I have NVIDIA, so I'm going to search for NVIDIA app. And in here, you'll need to go to drivers section and make sure you have the latest GeForce, in this case, Studio driver. If you're using apps like Adobe Premiere Pro. For games, you will need Game Ready driver, the latest version. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.